Hello, welcome back to another episode of I Captain of My Ship. Today I'd like to talk about what can you do as a parent when a child comes to you with some of his problems. He wants to talk to you. What is working, what is not working, what will help your child come to you more often with his problems to discuss the things that are on his or her mind. What can you do to actively create those moments and make sure that a child feels safe and seen when he or she is needs someone to talk. First, of course, I like to remind you of the introduction workshop I will give, and in the description below you can find the date and more information about it. So if you like to be there, don't miss out on it. It'll be very nice, a very good workshop. So I'm sure that you will enjoy this. So make sure that you are there. Okay, for now, what can you do to to show your child that you are actively listening and you are really interested in his or her problems that he or she is talking about? Um, First of all, I like to tell you what is not working so that you can maybe recognize it, maybe not recognize it, but at least you know that um, the way that is not working, you also need to know so that you also know the way that is working. First of all, when a child enters the house and you are reading the newspaper and it comes to you and tells you, uh, hey, mommy or daddy, my friend, he names a name like Eric or something, Eric just kicked me at school. Hey, mom or dad, because you're still reading your newspaper, are you listening? Because you're still reading and not giving a sign, and you're just listening half. And then your reaction is, nah. And then a child tries to pull away your newspaper and is trying to tell you, hello, uh, so I hit back. When he kicked me, I hit him back. And then he hit me again. Hey, are you listening? A child wants your attention and you're still reading his newspaper, and the child thinks, hello. You're not pulling away your newspaper, it's still in your face, and the child's pulling it away, and you're not responding to that. And then as a parent you just say, well, reading a newspaper, yes, of course I am listening. I can listen and I can read together. And the child will say, no, you will not. And the child will not feel seen or heard. And you as a parent say, yes, yes, I can listen and I can read all together, while still having your newspaper in front of your face. And the child will know it's not working. Just leave it. And it will not talk to you about his or her problem. And it will um, maybe not come back, never come back. I don't know. Maybe it will give you another try in future. I don't know. Of course, every case is different. Every child is different. But it's not helping. What is a way that is helping your child? Uh, a way is just to listen quietly and attentively. Like you are, for example, you are reading newspapers in front of your face. Your child enters the house and starts to talk to you. Hey, mommy or daddy, Eric kicked me at school. And you hear it, and you are starting to fold your newspaper. So the child starts to see your face, and then it continues to talk. So I hit him back, and then he hit me back. And while you are quietly just listening and folding up your newspaper further and just laying it beside you, so the child can see your full body and full presence, and you actively see your child, you look at your child, you see it, and you're just listening to your child. Um, so then a child will, because of your presence, you're really present there, your child will start to come up with own solutions, and will start to say something like, you know what I can do the next time? uh, I'll just start to play with someone else, and just let someone else, let that bad guy just be by himself, and I will start to play with someone else. Um, Someone that is not bad, and will not kick me or hit me, so that will better. That's what I will do the next time. Um, a child loves to talk about problems to a parent that is actively listening. You don't have to say anything, just listening. Um, just compassionate silence is a way that a child might need. And by acting this way, just listening, folding your newspaper, and make sure that you're an active listener, can help your child and give the feeling that a child is feeling heard. So I hope you are able to do that and try this out and see how it works out in your case. Okay, that's it for today. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.